I got a lot of growth, to be honest, in that place in terms of responsibility. I sometimes had to lead the team and whatnot. So I played for other teams, but when I was at Stellenbosch, I'd say that's where I felt like now I'm growing, I'm growing now. It will be one of those moments where you feel like this was my home, and I thought that would be the place. If I wasn't here, I would definitely be in Stellenbosch. So yeah. Like there's a lot of new guys, and you know, when there's new energy, there's positivity. Everyone wants that opportunity because you know football it's a web of opportunities. You get that chance, you need to grab it. So I think if 6, 7 people want that small opportunity, it gives that spark to the team because everyone is hungry to play, everyone is hungry to perform, everyone wants to show that it's not by luck. We work hard, we really work hard to be granted this opportunity. So that on its own, I think it's gonna